In this video, we'll show you how to delete pages from a PDF on your Android phone. So to do this, you will need a PDF editor. So first head to the Play Store and search for this PDF Gear app. It's a completely free PDF editor that doesn't show any ads. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it. Now here select the files option at the top. Now here you will need to look for the document that you want to edit or remove pages from. Once your PDF is open, tap on this edit option at the top. Now here tap on annotate and then select organize pages. Now here you will see options to edit the pages. Now simply select the page that you want to remove. You can also select multiple pages and then tap on this trash icon at the top. So as you can see, the page is now deleted. Simply tap on done. Now go back and your PDF will be saved. If you open it from the recents menu, it is only showing this one page as the second page is now deleted. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.